Hello friends, welcome to Supreme Education. We are going to learn theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. Statement of this theorem is the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Now in this statement you can see two concepts of angle, that is exterior angle and remote interior angle. These two concepts you have already learned, but we'll revise these concepts here again and then we'll move towards this theorem. Now here is one triangle which is shown by using green color, and there are various angles which are shown by using numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now these angles which are shown by using numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are nothing but exterior angles of that triangle. Means there are total 6 exterior angles of one triangle. See it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are 6 exterior angles. And you already know that there are 3 interior angles. That is this one, 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 interior angles of one triangle. Means 3 interior angles and 6 exterior angles. Now there are 3 more angles which are shown by using word no, and these 3 angles, that is first, second and third, these are neither exterior nor interior angle of that triangle. This is about exterior angles of a triangle. Now we'll move towards remote interior angles of that triangle. Now if we consider this angle, that is angle number 1 as exterior angle of this triangle, 1 as exterior angle of this triangle, then for this exterior angle, remote interior angles will be this one and this one. Means we have to consider interior angles which are away from that exterior angle. Means we don't have to consider this interior angle, we have to consider this one and this one. Means for this exterior angle, this one and this one are remote interior angles. Same for angle number 2, for this exterior angle also, this one and this one are remote interior angles. Again for these two exterior angles, remote interior angles will be this one and this one. And same for angle number 5 and 6, for these two exterior angles, remote interior angles will be this one and this one. Now we'll find out relation between exterior angle and remote interior angles. Exterior angle and its remote interior angle. Means we'll move towards theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. We'll read the statement here again. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Now the first step to prove any theorem is to draw proper diagram. Over here we have to draw one triangle and one exterior angle out of the 6 exterior angles. This we will consider only one exterior angle out of the 6 exterior angles, and we will find out relation between that exterior angle and its remote interior angles. Here is our required diagram in which there is triangle, that is PQR, and angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. Means out of the 6 exterior angles, we have considered one exterior angle, that is angle PRS. Angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. Means given is angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. Angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. Now what is to prove here? We have to prove measure of an exterior angle is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. Now in this triangle, angle PRS is an exterior angle and the remote interior angles of these exterior angles are angle P and angle Q. And we have to prove measure of exterior angle means measure angle PRS is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. Means we have to prove angle PRS is equal to measure angle P plus measure angle Q. Hence, to prove is angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Now we'll move towards next and last part of this whole process, that is proof. Proof is very simple. We know sum of measures of all the 3 angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. We'll write these 3 angles in 3 letters. Means angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ equal to 180 degree. The sum of measures of all the 3 angles is 1. Suppose this is statement number 1. Now look at these two angles, that is angle PRS and angle PRQ. These two angles form linear pair. Hence these two angles are angles in linear pair, and we know sum of measures of angles in linear pair is also 180 degree. Hence measure angle PRQ plus PRS is equal to 180 degree. Angle PRQ plus PRS is equal to 180 degree. Reason will be angles in linear pair. Suppose statement number 2. Now observe these two statements, that is statement number 1 and statement number 2. What is same in these two statements? Correct. Their right hand sides are same, that is 180 degree, 180 degree. Now since the right hand sides of these two equations are same, the left hand sides will be obviously same. Now we'll equate these two left hand sides here. That is from 1 and 2 we can write angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRS. This will get this statement. PQR plus QPR plus PRQ is equal to PRQ plus PRS. Means these three angles is equal to sum of these two angles. Now observe these two sides again. What is same in these two sides? Correct. That is nothing but angle PRQ. It is here also and it is here also. We can eliminate angle PRQ from both sides. Means we can cancel out this angle PRQ from both sides. Then we will get angle PQR plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRS. Angle PQR plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRS. And that is what we wanted to prove, that is angle PQR plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRS. In this way we have proved angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR, means measure of extra angle is equal to sum of measures of its remote interior angles. This is about theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. Now by using this theorem we will learn one property, that is property of an exterior angle of a triangle. Statement of this property is an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than its remote interior angles. We will see meaning of this property by using this diagram. The same diagram that we have used for remote interior angle theorem. Now in this triangle, angle PRS is an exterior angle and angle P and angle Q is its remote interior angles. And this property tells us that an exterior angle of a triangle is always greater than each of its remote interior angles. Means this property tells us that angle PRS is greater than angle P, angle PRS is also greater than angle Q. That is obvious. Since angle PRS is sum of these two angles, it will be obviously greater than each of these two angles, that is PRS is greater than angle P and PRS is greater than angle Q. We know 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. Hence 5 is greater than 2 and 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 2 and 5 is greater than 3. Similarly, angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR, that is 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. Hence 5 is greater than 2 and 5 is greater than 3 also. Hence angle PRS is greater than angle PQR and angle PRS is greater than angle QPR. Means extra angle is greater than each of its remote interior angles. This is about property of an extra angle of a triangle. Now in this video we have proved theorem of remote interior angles of triangle and we have seen property of an extra angle of a triangle. Thank you.